Greetings to the family, it's your boy Mr. Uncode Barber, and today I'm going to be doing something a bit different. So 360 Jeezy put out a challenge, the every haircut challenge, and I thought, you know what, I can't do it because I'm a mobile barber, so when I go to people's houses I don't have all them fancy lights and all them type of things. But yeah, we're going to attempt it today. So family, please don't forget, hit the like button, hit the share button, please subscribe. Let's see how it goes. Bless. Yeah man, as you lot can see, hold on a minute, it's 8:13 in the morning, so you know that the early bird has definitely caught the worm. I'm away to my first client for 8:30. We're going straight to Erdington. Yeah, just tooling up for the first client. The time is 21 minutes past 8 AM on a Saturday morning. So let's get it. Back again, I'm on my way to Highgate, so yeah, the time is 10 past 11, and yeah, that's haircut number 3. Yeah, family, that was one of my most challenging clients. He won't keep still. But yeah, that's how it goes, man. They get older at some point, man. You know. I didn't even realize the time. It's 10 to 2 and I haven't even had a break yet, so you know what? I'm gonna have to do it like these. Hold on a minute, is that the queue for McDonald's? Nah man, do you know what? I can't even be doing that. I can't wait in that queue, or can I? Do you know what? We're gonna do it. Might as well. Do you know what? I had to abandon that McDonald's and I said, you know something? I ain't going to McDonald's. That queue's too long, so all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to a normal shop, grab a sandwich, grab a quick drink, and just keep pushing up. challenge, yeah, it's not as easy as it looks, man. So yeah, about to do number 8, I think. So yeah, this time. Number 8, let's get it. Yeah, last stop now, Nitro's. And this is where I grew up. B7. But yeah, this is where I grew up, man. It's all changed now. And this is where I schooled. And the teachers thought I would come after nothing. But yeah, I'm out here. Working. And in a bit, we're gonna pass by my old school. And hold on. Resby Walk. There used to be a barber shop there where I always used to go to. Big up, man, like bigger. And this was my old school. And it did not look like this before. I don't even know what they call it today. Heartlands Academy. When I was here, it was called Duddister Manor. Same school where musical youth went to. And you know what? Let me take you where I used to live. Let me show you where I used to live. Yeah, man. This is where we always used to be at, man. Kelsey Close, that's where it all used to pop up. Right there, the memories, man, memories. And this is my road where I used to live. This is where I grew up. Taking you into a little bit of history of Mr. Lee, Uncle Barber. I used to live right up there in the Masonette, number 40. Right up there. Yeah, man. But yeah, these places, you know. Yeah, and you see that park there? That was the park where we always used to ramp and all sorts, man. It's crazy. It's crazy when you come back down, man. I'm seeing, you know, where you used to grow up and stuff like that. They got a basketball court. Yeah, man. That's where it all used to happen, man. That's where it all used to happen. Yeah, family, listen, that challenge was mad. Just finished the challenge now. I think it was 9 cuts, but I think one of them I forgot to take a picture before and after. But yeah, man, 360 Jeezy, I've done it. Yeah, man, so family, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section. And I'm out here. Stay on code, because you never know who you're inspiring. Peace.